food lovers, to make my cake, I'm going to zest my orange, set aside, and start with the batter. So I'm going to get my butter and sugar and mix this together until it's creamy, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my condensed milk. This is very important, guys. So after that, I'm going to mix, and once it's all mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and add in my eggs. I'm using only 3 eggs for this. All the measurements will be in the description box below. I'm then going to add my flour. I added it in batches because that's better. And then once the flour is all mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and add my flavors. I use nutmeg, orange zest, and vanilla powder. I'm going to mix this together and add my baking powder. Once this is all mixed together, I'm going to add my milk. I'm sorry I didn't video that, guys. And then once it's all mixed together, I'm going to spread this in a lined baking pan and put in the oven at 180 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes until the skewer comes out clean, just like this. And then I'm going to wait for it to cool down and then turn this onto a chopping board or tray. And then I went ahead to sprinkle some more orange zest on top before cutting it, just for extra flavor. And then I'm going to serve this up. Just look at how fluffy it is. Thank you for watching, guys. Kindly like and subscribe for more.